Is your PC taking forever to start up, freezing at the worst times, or constantly running out of storage? Yeah, we've all been there. In this video, I'm showing you how to bring your computer back to life using WMaster Cleanup, a simple all-in-one tool that helps clean junk files, boost performance, free up space on your C drive, and protect your privacy in just a few clicks. The best part is that WMaster Cleanup is currently free, with all features unlocked for a limited time. I'll walk you through how to download it, install it, and use its best features so your PC runs faster and smoother in minutes. Let's dive in. First, I open my browser, search for WMaster Cleanup, click the first suggested link, and now the official website appears where you can download the software and also see many of its features. I've already downloaded it, so I open the file, click Confirm to install, then click Start Now, and after a few seconds the installation is completed and the software opens. The first thing we do is log in using our email, and once logged in, the main dashboard shows multiple powerful features like PC Optimizer, Disk Cleaner, Clean C Drive, Uninstall Apps, Clear Privacy, Disk Defrag, and more. So let's start with Disk Cleanup, which is one of the core features of WMaster Cleanup, because it accurately locates and removes over 22 different types of junk files. Using advanced scanning algorithms, it finds unnecessary files like temporary files, cache data, system logs, update leftovers, and files created by third-party apps such as browsers and media players. And with just one click, you can safely remove them to free up storage space and keep your system organized. Next is PC Optimizer, which focuses on improving overall system performance by scanning for junk files, unused data, privacy traces, and system issues that may slow down your computer. And once the scan is finished, you can optimize everything with one click. Then we have Clean C Drive, which performs a deeper scan than the built-in Windows Disk Cleanup tool and helps remove hidden and large files such as old update files, temporary system data, and unused caches that accumulate over time, helping free valuable space and improve system stability. After that, there's Disk Analyzer, which gives you a visual overview of how your storage is being used so you can quickly see which folders and files take up the most space, making storage management much easier. Then the Uninstall Apps feature lets you completely remove unwanted programs by performing deep scans of program files, registry entries, and leftover data, even detecting software that doesn't appear in the control panel, so you can cleanly uninstall what you don't need anymore. Next is Duplicate Clean, which searches your system for duplicate photos, videos, documents, and archives, allowing you to choose which versions to keep and delete the rest to recover storage space while keeping your important data organized. Then there's Clear Cache, which removes temporary cache files created by Windows and applications including browser caches, system caches, software caches, and update caches. And clearing these regularly helps free space and improve system speed and app responsiveness, followed by Browser History, which clears privacy data from popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Internet Explorer by removing visited websites, search history, address bar records, and cache data. And you can customize what to clean for each browser. Now moving to the recommended tools section, we have File Shredder, which permanently deletes sensitive files using secure data overwriting so they can't be recovered. Big File Finder, which scans for large files like old installers, videos, backups, and archives so you can quickly delete unnecessary ones. Disk Defrag, which reorganizes fragmented files on traditional hard drives to improve read and write performance and overall responsiveness. And Clean Registry, which scans for invalid registry entries, broken file associations, and leftover startup items to help reduce errors and improve startup speed. Now I want to show you the storage before and after using WMaster Cleanup. As you can see on the screen, this is the previous storage, and after running the cleanup, there's a clear visual difference. A large amount of space has been successfully recovered on my computer, and you can really see how much unnecessary junk and cache was taking up space before. This simple cleanup made a noticeable improvement, both in storage and overall system performance. And finally, the Discovery section gives you quick access to commonly used Windows system tools and selected WMaster Cleanup features in one place. So instead of searching through menus and control panels, you can open essential tools instantly. Now I want to show you a quick comparison by removing junk files using other cleaning tools. First, I'm using Wise Care. I've already downloaded it, so I open the software, go to the System Cleaner option, and start a scan to find junk files. As you can see, it scans and detects unnecessary files on the computer. This software also works well, but the scanning process is noticeably slower compared to WMaster Cleanup. Now I clean the junk files that were detected. After that, we try another feature called PC Health Checkup, which scans the system for different issues. But this process also takes more time to complete. Next, we move to another popular cleaner, CCleaner. Here we use the duplicate cleaner feature to remove duplicate files from the system. Once we start the scan and begin cleaning, you can see that it also consumes quite a bit of time compared to WMaster Cleanup. This comparison shows that while these tools work well, WMaster Cleanup performs the cleaning process much faster and more efficiently. So that's a quick look at how WMaster Cleanup can help keep your PC clean, fast, and organized with just a few clicks. In my experience, it even feels faster and more efficient than CCleaner and Wise Cleaner for quick cleanups. You can download it directly from there, and the link is also in the description. Also, just a quick reminder that WMaster Cleanup is currently free with all features unlocked for limited time, so it's a great chance to try the full version. Make sure to download it using the link in the description or the pinned comment so you can get it quickly and start cleaning and optimizing your PC right away. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, share it with anyone who needs to speed up their computer, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.